Hi everyone, would like to demonstrate a beautiful new Fisitalia accordion from Italy. I really love them. And this is the model Junior. It's 40 sounds in the treble, in the right hand, and 72 bass buttons. Has two sets of reeds, two middle reeds in the treble, and four sets of reeds in the bass. Let's see how the bass works. And we have two sets of reeds in the treble. We have one middle. And we have the tremolo, two middle. It's like tuning of 2 bits per second, 7 cents. Let's see how it sounds. So this is the sound of accordion. Let's see how the songs will go. Please note, we have no registers to switch the sets of reeds in the treble. However, we have here 3 chin registers, which is a very special thing for such a small model. So, which means you can change while you're playing just with pressing your chin, and you don't have to take your hands off the keyboard.